Welcome guys, this is KOK Party Favors. Today I'm preparing a order of chip bags for a baby shower, and I am going to pack up the order. So I just want to show you the last few chip bags that I'm going to assemble. I have several videos on my channel showing the assembly of chip bags, so I didn't want to show the entire assembly, but for this the last chip bag, I will go ahead and show you the entire process. So this is 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. It's already designed in their theme. I guess it's pronounced Moana. And I'm going to go ahead and fold it. Okay. And I am going to be using my hot glue gun for this order. You know, on some videos I've used my double-sided tape. So I'm going to use my hot glue gun for this order. So I'm going to start with putting a line of hot glue here on the back. And I'm going to lay it down. And I'm going to adjust that. Now I am going to put my label on the back, which lets the person know what's inside. So Doritos Nacho Cheese will be inside this bag. So I'm going to take the backing off of this label. And I am going to put it at the bottom of this bag. And what I'm going to do at this point is, before I put any additional hot glue anywhere, I'm going to go ahead and press down the bottom, and I am going to roll it once in my paper crimper. And I'm going to get the top, and I'm just going to just crease it at the top. Now, as you can see, I already have the lines that I've already pre-done in Photoshop. So I already have the lines there, and the crimper is just going to give the texture of the crimps, just like a regular chip bag, okay? So now that I've crimped the top and bottom, I'm going to take my hot glue gun, and I'm going to run glue all across the bottom. I'm going to go from left to right, right to left, to make sure I have enough glue at the bottom. I just take and press down. And be careful if any glue seeps out the bottom. Just take a paper towel and just dab it. Okay? So my bottom is now sealed. Now I want to insert my Doritos. And sometimes Doritos are the hardest to get in the bag because they have a lot of air in them. So now what I'm going to do is take the top, and I am going to take my hot glue gun from left to right, right to left. Make sure I have enough glue. Then I'm just going to take the top, and I'm going to press it in, outward. Start in the center, go outward. Okay? So that is my chip bag. Okay. Now I have one more bag I need to put in. This one is already sealed at the bottom. It has the Doritos Nacho Cheese. So I'm going to go ahead and insert it. I put 2 free bags in here. Sometimes you have a hard time getting it in. Just take your hands. It helps push it down. And then I'm going to take my glue gun, left to right, right to left. And you can also just pull it at both ends. Be careful because it is very hot. And you can start getting your bag sealed that way. Okay. All right. So I got all my chip bags done. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring over my box that has all of my, let me adjust my camera here a minute, guys. I'm going to go up some so you can see my box that has all my chip bags inside. The free one in the front. Okay, I've already put some tissue paper at the bottom here. Now this customer's going to be picking this up, so I don't have to put any postage label on it. But I am going to go ahead and get the box prepared. And I always try to, this is not necessary, but I always try to use the tissue paper that are the colors of the theme. So hers were pink and yellow, so I just put pink at the bottom, and I'm going to cover the top up with the yellow tissue paper. Okay. Get a little bit of my little shredded paper here. I'm going to put her receipt that has my little thank you sticker and my business little label there. Okay. I'm going to put a business card just in case they need one for future reference. And that's going to be it for this order, guys. I'll be logging back in with another video because I have another order of chip bags and water bottle labels. So I will be uploading another video tonight to show you my preparation for that order. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.